Welcome back to my YouTube channel PK Wheel 2024. Today, we're setting our sights on the ultimate off-road companion at the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. This isn't your average mall crawler, it's a beast built to conquer any trail you throw at it. So, buckle up and let's dive into what makes the Trailhunter such a legendary machine. First thing that grabs you about the Trailhunter is its aggressive stance. Toyota hasn't messed around here. Those chunky off-road tires and beefed-up suspension scream capability. A new Trailhunter-specific front grille with integrated LED fog lights lets you blaze a path through the night. And check out those skid plates, say they're ready to shield your undercarriage from the harshest terrain. Toyota knows that looking good is part of the adventure, and the Trailhunter comes in a range of exclusive colors that reflect its off-road prowess. Imagine carving through a mountain pass in a bold new volcanic rock or disappearing into the forest with the earthy tones of Trail Combo. Toyota remains tight-lipped on specifics, but rumors suggest the Trailhunter could pack a serious punch. A possible upgrade to a 3.5-liter V6 engine with increased horsepower and to work as a hot rumor. Mated to a next-generation off-road tuned transmission, this 4Runner promises to dominate any incline. Trailhunter isn't just about show, it's packed with features to make your off-roading experience epic. Look for a roof-mounted tent for those epic stargazing nights, an integrated air compressor for airing up tires on the go, and possibly even a built-in cooler for keeping your drinks frosty during the adventure. Trailhunter's interior is designed for comfort and functionality. Imagine durable, water-resistant seats that can handle anything you throw at them. A next-generation infotainment system with off-road mapping and navigation keeps you on track, while ample cargo space lets you bring all the gear you need for your next expedition. 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter isn't for the faint of heart. It's for the off-road enthusiasts, the weekend warriors, the ones who crave adventure and aren't afraid to get a little dirty. If you dream of conquering challenging trails and exploring unbeaten paths, then the Trailhunter is your ultimate off-road companion. While concrete details on release date and pricing are still under wraps, whispers suggest the Trailhunter could hit dealerships sometime in late 2024 or early 2025. Given its extensive off-road upgrades, expect a price tag that reflects its premium capabilities. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter the ultimate off-road machine? Let us know in the comments below what features excite you the most. And if you're looking for more epic adventure vehicles, don't forget to like and subscribe for PK Wheel 2024.